Welcome to Mini Art Lessons with Rachel.
Hi, hello, and welcome back. Today, we are going to be making some abstract pieces of artwork. For this project, you are going to need some paper. I have some mixed media paper right here. Maybe get about 2 pieces of paper if you want. You could always make more. I'm also going to be using some droppers, these little droppers over here, some acrylic paint. I'm going to be using white or black. I think I'm going to use one for each of my pictures. Paintbrushes, need paintbrushes because we're going to be using some watercolors, some liquid watercolors. Remember, it comes in something like this. I keep mine in jars like this. And washi-tape. Washi-tape. I have 2 different sizes of washi-tape right here. Remember, it's not going to matter what color washi-tape we're using because we're going to end up peeling it off. So whatever washi-tape is totally fine. And if you don't have washi-tape, you can always use painter's tape. That works as well. All right, let's get started making our abstract piece of artwork. Come on.
All right, let's get started doing our abstract pieces of artwork. So first for our abstract pieces of artwork, I'm gonna start by using some washi tape. So I have a thicker washi tape and a thinner washi tape. I'm gonna use my scratchy finger. I'm gonna scratch, 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 kind of peeling that up. And I'm just gonna carefully kind of do different designs going across. You can do whatever designs you want. Abstract art can be really however you want it to be. Put some like that. I'm gonna end up peeling these off afterwards, so keep that in mind. Maybe I'll do some of these kind of thinner pieces. Tape, put that across this way. I like to make sure everything is really nice and smooth, so use our smooth down finger. Have some go this way. Maybe I'll do one kind of going this way as well. All right. So there's my design. You can do whatever kind of design you want. There's no wrong way to do this. Next, I'm gonna start adding my watercolors on the top. So I'm gonna choose this kind of lime liquid watercolor. Wipe, wipe, wipe. I'm gonna paint. Carefully paint. I wanna remember to paint right on top of that washi tape. Right on top. And I'm gonna switch up my colors. I wanna make this very colorful, so I'm gonna do this magenta one next. Wipe, wipe, wipe. Maybe I'll do the magenta one going up this way. Painting over those washi tape. Make sure you're right on top of the washi tape there. Do some blue. There we go. And then I'm gonna add maybe some more lime up at the top here. And maybe some more blue over in the corner. This piece, this corner one over here. It's almost like different shapes that I'm kind of painting, huh? Different kind of shapes over there. And maybe I'll do pink over here. And maybe another blue in this middle one right here. Maybe I'll do pink over here too. All right. So now that I have that all painted, I'm gonna get a paper towel and I'm gonna blot, 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 okay? All right, so I have my paper towel. I'm gonna carefully kind of bounce it around. I don't wanna rub it like this because I don't wanna ruin all those beautiful colors. Might lift some of our colors and that's okay. Kind of mixed some of those. Some of my paint was on the napkin and got in, mixed a little bit. That's okay. I don't mind that. I like that look. All right. So now that I have this all painted, I'm going to carefully kind of peel up. Carefully peel. Carefully. Don't need to go fast. And if your paper rips a little bit, you can always add a little bit of glue to kind of help that rip. There we go. All right, so there I have my picture over here with my different designs for my washi tape. I am going to go ahead and use my droppers and my, I'm going to use black. I'm going to put black on top with my droppers. Now I put my acrylic paint in here, but to make it drippy, the drippy effect that we're going to be using, you need to add a little bit of water. Not too much. You can kind of see the consistency here. Not too much, but you want it to be kind of runny and drippy, okay? I'll show you first. So you're going to pinch, let go. When you let go, it fills up with the paint, and then you're going to drip the paint right on top. Pinch, let go, drip the paint right on top. Pinch, let go, and then drip the paint right on top. If you want to, you can pick up your paper and watch it kind of drip. Turn it this way, watch it drip this way. Like that. Get that kind of drip effect. Something like that. If you want to add some more, you can always add some more. Like that. Do the same thing. We can do some of the drip. Drip. Like that. Something kind of like that. So there's our first abstract picture. Now, the reason I don't do black and white together is because it can start to become gray. And I don't want it to become gray. So here's my picture over here. I'm going to set that to the side. Today, creating our beautiful pieces of abstract artwork. Here is my one with the black, dripping black paint. Looks pretty cool. You can hang it this way, or this way, or this way, whichever way you want. And then my piece of artwork with my white paint drizzled on top. So cool, huh? Can I see what you created? Whoa, that looks really cool. You guys did a great job. Awesome. Thanks so much, you guys.
Please come back again. See me next time. Check out more videos. I can't wait to see you guys again. Bye!